Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add captions to your Vimeo video. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com, and here choose a video from your library or create a new video. I will create a new video for and then add the captions. Here you can create your video. I will just go ahead and choose a video from my library. I will select this one, for example. Wait a few seconds, and then once you're happy with the video and everything, click on save. This will take you to the video interface. Now click on Captions and then click on Closed Captions. Here you can upload your file. Just click on the plus icon and then click on Choose File. Now select the file from your computer and click Open. Here, select the language of your file. I will select English, and here choose the type, and since we're doing captions, I choose the first option and then click on Upload. Now you've uploaded the file to your video. Now click on this toggle to enable the captions for your video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.